Question. So, what happened to my instant coffee with Jan show? Back in a minute. Hi, this is Jan from New York City, and I love to help people keep some more of their hard earned money. I get right into it. How's everybody doing today? Two things. Going to give you this little announcement, and then I'm going to go on to a very simple party recipe that for punch that is low calorie, affordable, and you'll thank me for it. There you go. First, I want to mention someone wants to know what happened to my Instant Coffee with Jan show. The Instant Coffee with Jan show still exists, if you will, as an entity. I will do it, but it's on pause for a little bit, maybe for a couple of months. Maybe I'll bring it back in the spring. Maybe I'll decide not to bring it back at all. But at the moment, I decided to just put it on pause. You will still see me at 5 a.m. My videos still upload super early, which of course is unearthly for many people. But there are some people out there that regularly like to slam down the play button on my channel, even at 5 a.m. Eastern. And not necessarily just from this location, because these videos play across the globe. So it might be 5 a.m. for me, maybe 12 o'clock for someone else type thing. So it is there still. And in general, I will try to be more on camera for those shows. Okay. Not that there's anything wrong with my audios. Maybe I'll just do a mixed bag, couple of days on camera, couple of days audio. My background is actually radio. But the idea being is that even though some people love the idea of just having me on audio and going about their business, you can still see me on camera for those who still like to look at an image of someone speaking to them. And I get that. I totally get that. So it'll be a mixed bag of everything, couple of days on camera, couple of days on audio type thing. But I'm not going to call it the Instant Coffee with Jan show. It is just going to be my daily uploads. And who knows, I still might make a decision to change the time of my publishing of the show. Everything is up for grabs. New year is coming, new decisions to be made. I shall decide what I shall decide. But I want to thank you so much for being here all this time. Let's get right over to the recipe for this punch. Now, this book is geared for people who are, watching their calories, whatever. But this punch could be for anyone who just wants a simple punch. Okay, beverage that is. Okay. Now they call it in the book New Year's Eve for this one, but honestly, this could be really for any party. So I'd suggest to decorate the room with streamers and balloons, borrow a big punch bowl and cups. Who has a big old punch bowl at home still? Just wondering. They're so cute, aren't they? They're so festive. All right. So someone suggested to put out some crudities. Well, I always forget the right way to say crudities, whatever. I know I'm not saying it properly. I know I'm not. All right. Anyway, it suggests to decorate, borrow the big punch bowl, plan on serving interesting and colorful dips. There's a wonderful recently uploaded bean dip recipe, and which is a fancy French word for raw vegetables, the crudities, crudité, whatever. You know what I'm saying, right? All right, so set out a bowl or two of pretzels or air pop popcorn, and no one will miss fattening, greasy chips. And I swear by my pizza chips, I'm just saying. All right, so this is for holiday fruit punch, okay? Make sure that all the ingredients are well chilled. Well, that makes logical sense. Okay, you're going to let this steep for 5 minutes. 2 cups of boiling water and 3 tea bags. You're going to remove the bags, and you're going to add 2 cups of water. You're going to combine with tea in a big punch bowl. You're going to need 1 quart of ice cubes, 1 quart of pineapple orange juice, no sugar added. People don't realize how much naturally occurring sugar is actually in juices. There's a lot of actual sugar in juices. 1 quart of lemon lime diet soda. Now, if you don't like working with artificial sweetener, you just want to, you can just put 1 quart of lemon lime regular soda if you don't want to do it that way with the artificial sugar. Just saying, just saying. And if desired, slice thinly 1 lime and float the slices on the top, or float scoops of low-calorie frozen orange yogurt. 47 calories per 3/4 cup serving. It sounds so yummy, so delicious, so easy to do, so easy to make. You probably have all the ingredients on hand, and why not? So remember, there goes my phone. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day.